Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a couple of Valentine's Day meal ideas with you for something that you can cook and also a lovely dessert as well, and also down below I'll leave a link to a blog post with a whole lot of Valentine's dessert ideas, because really dessert is what it's all about. So I've got loads of ideas for that, so check down below for a link to that blog post. And I've just been filming over the past couple of days whenever I've had any meal or snack which I thought might be a little Valentine's like. I filmed that to share with you, so I'll share those clips with you now. And one of my favorite things to do is make hot chocolate just like this one over here, and just have a sit and a chat with my husband and just a bit of one-to-one date time while the boys are off playing their iPads. Yep, this is how you do it when you're a parent. So I've shared heaps of recipes for hot chocolates on my blog and on the channel, and I'll leave a link down below to a blog post where I've rounded up 5 of them for you to choose from. So we're going to have a nice hot chocolate, and I will share more yummy Valentine's ideas with you soon. And one of my favorite meals that I usually cook on Valentine's Day or a special day is steak with mushroom sauce. So I've got a couple of beautiful steaks over there, and I've got cream and mushrooms, and we can also use some butter to cook the mushrooms in. So I'm going to get on and start making the mushroom sauce and talk you through as I go. My mushrooms are coming along nicely. You can see I'm adding more butter as I go. Salt, just getting these reduced down and cooked to a beautiful plate full of mushrooms. Mushrooms are beautifully cooked. I'm going to pour over some cream now. Oh, it's nice double creamness. Use any cream that you like, and we're just going to bubble that away to thicken, and then I'll move it onto the plate. And you're left with the most beautiful creamy mushroom sauce ever. And so now I'm going to season my steaks, and I've got my big stick of butter out that I keep grabbing to get butter to just keep the mushrooms going. And I've been having the steaks out resting, so I've opened them up and they've just been resting here while I've been seeing to the mushrooms, bringing them up to room temperature, getting them nice and beautiful and ready to cook. And now what I'm going to do is melt some more butter, get that nice and hot, and cook our steaks. There you go, pan is nice and hot with the butter, steaks are in. I've just popped a bit of salt on top, that's all, just salt for seasoning, and we've got the mushrooms for the sauce. And I'm just going to cook these 5 minutes aside, and that is my perfect steak. But cook it however you like. So I'm going to pop on 5-minute timer and show you once my steaks are ready. And my steak is done. Look how beautiful that is. This is definitely a going out to a fancy restaurant kind of meal, but at home. So I've got my beautiful steak, my creamy mushroom sauce, and that is a beautiful meal to enjoy anytime you want to treat yourself, or on Valentine's Day too. When it comes to Valentine's Day, you really can't go past strawberries. 2-3 strawberries chopped up and topped with cream, which I'll show you in a second, just makes one of the most perfect, easy keto desserts. And then you go topped with a huge mountain of whipped cream. Look at that. But that's a great way to have a low carb, high fat, sweet treat to end the perfect Valentine's Day meal. So there you go, those are my go-to Valentine's ideas for meal and dessert, and what I'll probably be enjoying on Valentine's Day. And remember to check down below for a blog post where I'll share some ideas for more keto Valentine's dessert ideas. And over to you, leave a comment, let me know what will you be enjoying on Valentine's Day. I look forward to reading your comments. Remember to like and subscribe for more yummy inspirations as well, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.